Jayson Tatum might miss the season opener, but his sneaker game is still on fire. Jordan Brand just unveiled the Welcome to St. Louis pack, celebrating Tatum's hometown pride with the Jordan Tatum 4 and Air Jordan 11 Low IE. Each pair draws inspiration from the legendary St. Louis Cardinals, highlighted by powder blue tones, bold red to yellow gradients, and a mix of premium materials like nubuck, mesh, and hairy suede. Part of Tatum's World Tour series, this exclusive drop follows city-inspired releases from London, Shanghai, and Tokyo. The St. Louis edition drops November 12, 2025, priced at $150 for the Tatum 4, $190 for the AJ11 Low IE, or $355 for the full pack. Expect premium style, hometown storytelling, and collectible appeal. Sneakerheads won't want to miss this one.